I'm Storyman Mark Cater, and today's topic on Senior Moves, the art of aging gracefully, is meditation. Now, some of you have meditated before, probably, and you know the value of it. But if you've never meditated before, meditation has been clearly shown through many, many studies to relieve stress and anxiety, to help you to calm down, to find peace, to get clarity of thought, to restore the body. Now, what I'm going to use in the next video is a singing bowl. But what is a singing bowl? I'm going to show one to you right now. This is a singing bowl. This particular one is made of crystal. And I like to use this because it has a very rich sound. And the theory behind it is the tone of the crystal bowl. You can see it has a very nice, quiet, settling quality. The vibrations through the tone of the crystal bowl help you to calm down. So the vibrations affect the vibrations in your own body. You can meditate in many different ways. You can do a walking meditation or mindful walking. What we're going to do in the next video here is use the crystal bowl. I'll be playing it for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and then you'll be lying quietly. Now, you might prefer to sit in a chair, but if you're going to be lying on the floor, you're going to want to make sure that you're safe lying on the floor. So I'm covering this stuff now so that when we get to the next video, you'll know what to do. So in a previous video, I did mention about lying on your back, but let's review. First of all, you may need something under your head. So a pillow or a blanket. It also may not feel good to have your legs straight if you have back issues. Plus, you're going to be lying in this position for a good 20 to 25 minutes of the 30-minute program. So you may need to have something under your knees. Yeah, a rolled up blanket might be helpful. And you're always looking to place things where they need to be. Remember that you're not a block of concrete, so that if you feel uncomfortable at any time during your meditative practice, you will adjust your position. Some people actually will bring their legs up for a little while. So you need to experiment a little bit, figure out what works for you. And the big thing, as always, is to focus on your breath. I know when I meditate, and I do so pretty much every day, sometimes only 5 or 10 minutes, sometimes I do longer sessions for myself. You need to focus on your breath. Your mind's going to do whatever your mind's going to do, but you're going to bring yourself back into your body, back with your breath. And just allow the stream of consciousness to go through, and just let the thought patterns go. You don't have to be with them. Just be with your breath, be in the silence, and be in the peace. And that's really all you have to do. So next video will be crystal bowl meditation.